In this video we're going to replace the ZeroG 5.0 calf massager. So the first thing you want to do is use the remote control to raise up the calf massager, as you see here. And the next thing we need to do is rotate the calf massager to expose the screws on the inside of the side panel. So pull up on the footrest release handle and rotate it toward you. And then you'll see that on that mounting bracket there are 4 screws plus an additional screw for the rotation handle. So using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove those 5 screws. And then we're going to rotate the calf massager to expose the last 2 screws. Oh, before doing that, we need to prop something in between to extend the calf massager, which gives you access to the final 2 screws, which are located in between the upper and lower portion of the calf massager. Once those 2 screws are out, we can pop off the side panel. First by removing the rotation release knob, lever, and then popping the side panel off. Okay. Next we're going to move to the other side. And on this side there are 3 Phillips head screws that need to be removed. Followed by another 2 in between the upper and lower portions of the calf massager. And then we'll be able to pop this side panel off. And this is the side that has the calf massager cables. In order to access the cable connectors, we need to remove 2 Phillips head screws. From the bracket that secures the connectors. And then you can pop off the connector cover. And we'll need to disconnect those 2 connectors. Okay, next we need to remove the metal collar there are 3 Phillips head screws, but those screws are secured by Loctite. So use a hammer and a Phillips screwdriver and tap the end of the screwdriver to break the Loctite. Then you'll be able to easily remove the screws. So remove those 3 screws that secure the mounting arm to the calf massager. Then we're going to remove those same 3 screws from the other side of the calf massager in the same manner. Then to remove that collar, we need to insert a flathead screwdriver between the metal collar and the mounting arm. You may want to put something underneath the calf massager to support it, because once you separate those two things, it's free falling. Then on the other side, you need to pull the collar off over the cables, and then you can remove the calf massager from the chair, feeding the cables through the hole in the mounting arm. Okay, to install the new calf massager, whether or not you used support underneath the calf massager when removing it, you really need to have, we have a banker's box or like a paper, bulk paper box underneath the calf massager to support it, with obviously the cables fed through the hole in the mounting arm on the right. That keeps it at a nice level, supported location so that you can reinstall the metal collar on both sides and secure it. Once the metal collar is secured on both sides, you can remove the support if you'd like, because at that point the calf massager is again attached to the chair frame. So from that point on, simply complete the rest of the steps in reverse, reconnecting the connectors, putting the connector cover back on, replacing the screws to put the side covers back on, and you're done.